As a small business owner, navigating the digital landscape can be challenging. Today, we uncover 3 common digital marketing mistakes that could cost you customers and sales. But don't worry, we've got solutions. Mistake number 1, ignoring social media. In today's world, your customers spend their time on social media. Neglecting platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn means missing opportunities to engage with your audience and grow your brand. At Ruby Web Marketing, we create tailored social media strategies to help you connect with your audience and boost your online visibility. Mistake number 2, poor SEO. Potential customers may never find you if your website isn't optimized for search engines. Ranking low on Google can mean losing out to competitors who have mastered SEO. Our team at Ruby Web Marketing ensures your website is search engine optimized to improve your rankings, increase traffic, and attract more customers. Mistake number 3, lack of mobile optimization. With over half of web traffic coming from mobile devices, a site that isn't mobile-friendly can drive customers away. Solution: mobile-friendly, responsive website design. Ruby Web Marketing specializes in creating mobile-optimized websites that deliver a smooth, enjoyable experience for your customers. Avoid these common pitfalls and take your digital marketing to the next level with Ruby Web Marketing. From social media to SEO and mobile optimization, we've got the tools and expertise to help your small business succeed.